Hello friends, welcome to our channel C Square. So in this video I'll be showing you how to solve HP ink smearing problem. If your HP printer is not printing correctly, here's a simple process which can help you to solve the problem. So first of all, go to your Windows tab, click on device and printers. Now you can see here the driver is installed. So you'll just click on HP DeskJet 5810 series, double click on it. Here you can see HP Print Assistant. Click on it. You'll just have to double click on it. Now here you can see there are plenty of options. See what's printing, set preference, maintain your printer. So you'll just have to go to maintain your printers. Now again a new tab opens. Here you can see print quality diagnostic page, aligned ink cartridges, clean ink cartridge, clean printer. So if you are facing ink smearing problem, so you'll first have to clean your printer. Click on clean printer, press OK. Now you'll hear some sound in your printers. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes for the whole process to complete, so you'll just have to wait. You'll hear a small sound in your printer, so the printer is cleaning itself. As the cleaning process completes, you can see a small a white paper being rolled out from the printer. So the printer is cleaning itself. It's a blank white paper. Now after the paper ejects itself, the cleaning is almost complete. So if it doesn't solve the problem, you'll have to repeat the process 2 to 3 times. After that, you can see your printer will start working properly. See, now you can see the message that cleaning has completed. You'll just have to press OK. Now after that you can print quality diagnostic page. If the printing quality is okay, your cleaning is complete, or else you'll have to repeat the clean. So this is how you clean your HP printer. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.